Hey guys, welcome back to Delpstack. Today I will be showing you how to fix Brave browser lagging. So, if you ever have any problems into your Brave, it means that your Brave is having so much data. So to clear out the data, you will just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now here on the settings, you would just simply go ahead and go for the privacy and security. Here, you could just simply go for delete browsing data. And from here, guys, you would just simply go for the time range and make sure to select all time. But if you don't want to delete all your data, you would go for last 4 weeks, 7 days, or 24 hours. But I recommend if you want to fully reset and have your Brave browser more faster, select all time and just simply select delete data over here. Now, if you go for advanced, you will have other options as well, but the most important one is these three basics. Now, another option is you could go for about Brave over here. And now from here, when there is any update, you should be able to update it over here. And from here, when I click on it, as you can see, the current and the latest version will be this version as of January 2026. And from here, I have the same one. It means I am running the latest version. So as long as you have the latest version of the Brave, you should be able to fix the issue. Or if it doesn't work out, you would just simply go to the three lines on the top right and go for the extensions, manage extensions, and just simply delete some extensions that you no longer use, and this might fix the issue as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.